What's going on, everybody? We're here at Kings Island today. It's Grand Carnival. We are stopping by here for a quick update, see what's new, what's going on in the park, on our way to the GOCC event at Holiday World. So let's see what we can find here at Kings Island today. So first thing I noticed today is Delirium is down, not open. Not sure if it's going to reopen today. Looks like it's been down all day, so not sure what's going on with it. Here in the Extreme Skyflyer spot, there's nothing going on here. Still that one marker out there. I think it's been out there for a little while. And it looks like it's been out there for a little while, marking possibly where that sewer is. Other than that, there's nothing out here going on. And it looks like Invertigo is down. They have the whole walkway shut down. Not sure what's going on with it. On the back side here, on the first lift, when you walk in the park, it has like rope hanging down. So looks like it might be down for a little while. Not sure. See face-off colors kind of show through. There's nobody even in the station. There's no staff there at all. Still no update on Monster. Supposedly they have the parts here for it, but I assume they're just waiting for next year. If it comes back at all. Well guys, I tried to get a view in the Vortex plot, but the tower is down because it's so windy, so no going in the tower. They really fenced this area off pretty well, so it's hard to like really see in there. Hey, the drink stall is open. There's a win. Hopefully soon you'll see a big old coaster right here. Really hoping for a multi-launch. Kings Island really needs an LSM launch. Also, since tower is down, you can't really see anything. There's nothing back here. So we're gonna have to come back on a less windy day so we can go up in the Eiffel Tower and see if there's anything going on behind this fence. I don't think so, but I would like to see. Looks like we're getting a new Dippin' Dots stand. Dippin' Dots and Icy stand here in Coney Mall, right across from Wave Swinger. The drink stand by Mystic Timbers is closed, per usual. Well, that's going to do it for my day here at Kings Island. Didn't stay very long. It was really busy. Didn't get any rides in. Vertigo closed still. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but yeah, I'm just checking in to see if there was any progress for Project 2026 or whatever they may call it. Didn't see anything right now. Tower is closed because of the wind, so we'll come back hopefully on a less windy day to check out the Vortex plot. We will see you guys next time.